Here at Proven Winners, we've always been about solutions. Solutions at the retail level and solutions at the grower level, but ultimately solutions at the consumer level. It's each and every day they're asking us for more help and programs. And so we want to show you today a little bit about our 30-second planner. This is the award-winning container, right? What do you do with this? Well, we know consumers are often decorators, not diggers, and they utilize our recipes in their hangers, they utilize their recipes in their upright containers. But there's also an audience that might already have an existing container at their home. It could be our award-winning Aquapot program. So at the grower retail level, we want to make sure that you can provide a 30-second planner with our mixed recipes already in there that the consumer can take home and plug into their large containers that they already have at their existing patio and continue that theme gardening and decorating and color coordination that they've come to know Proven Winners for. So once again, solutions for growers, solutions for retailers, but ultimately consumers with our award-winning 30-second planter.